Namaste everybody, welcome back to the YogaCandi YouTube channel. My name's Candace and today I'm going to answer some questions about our 14-day yoga flexibility challenge. This challenge really is for everybody because I'm going to be showing you complete beginner versions of each pose all the way up to something a little more intermediate. So if you've never done yoga before, don't worry, join in and listen to your body. These are going to be short and sweet videos, guys. I did put up a vote on Instagram and Facebook, so find me on there, YogaCandi, and everybody voted for short, sweet videos, 10 to 20 minutes. I recommend you guys wear something comfortable, something that you can move freely in, because it is all about stretching out the body, so make sure nothing is restricting you, and also make sure to tie back long hair so that that's not in the way. This is totally up to you. I mean, when it comes to things like yin yoga, we actually don't warm up before stretching. So it isn't vital, but if you would like to and you're a gym goer, then perhaps do these videos straight after you've done your natural warm up. Because they're such short videos, I'm not going to be doing much warm-ups in the actual classes themselves, but there is an option of doing my 10-minute sun salutation video before each class as well, so that you have the chance to get your body nice and warmed. There'll also be a chance to do a guided meditation or a guided shavasana after each class as well. So I'll be putting a link to those at the end of each day so that you have the choice as to whether you want to completely wind down, ready for your evening or ready for the day ahead. Okay guys, this is a good question. It really shouldn't hurt. So when it comes to flexibility and learning to teach our bodies to start to loosen up for us, it will be a little bit uncomfortable. But if you're feeling a pain or sharpness anywhere, then you know you've gone too far and you know to ease back and maybe take a more beginner version of a pose, or even just sit it out for a moment and wait for the next position to begin. Okay, so props are completely optional, they always are. I'm actually going to be improvising quite a lot myself because we've just moved here to Thailand and it's been a lot more difficult than I thought to find yoga bits. But I did manage to find some blocks, so if you guys can get yourselves some foam yoga blocks, that would be fantastic. You can head on over to yogacandi.com and I have a prop section where you can have a look at what I've tried and tested and see if you can get yourself some bits. So foam blocks are perfect. If you don't have them, improvise with a couple of thick books. Perhaps even wrap those books in like a towel or something just to keep it a little softer. The other thing is a yoga strap, and again I haven't found one here in Thailand, so I'm using a sarong actually. So a sarong, a scarf, a belt, anything like that, or even just a rolled up hand towel. Just something nice and long, and this is going to help get you into some of the poses. And then last but not least, if you're like me and you're practicing on quite a hard floor and maybe your mat hasn't actually got that much padding, depending on the poses that we do, you may just want to protect your knees, your hips, maybe a little bit on your spine. So make sure you've got either a thick towel rolled up, folded, or you've got a couple of hand towels. And then last but not least, grab a really thick cushion off of your sofa. This is also going to be really handy, guys, and I'm going to have them for the odd pose as well. So have all these props handy, put them aside and keep them a little out the way so they're not in your way while you're practicing. Yes guys, you can use #YogaCandi, and on there I'll be able to find you easily. I can watch your progress, see how you're getting on. You can ask me questions as well, feel free to do that. And of course we can help to motivate and build this community together. Right guys, so for more information, or if you'd like to sign up to the weekly newsletter so you never miss a thing, then visit yogacandi.com. I look forward to getting to know all of you and to seeing how you progress with your flexibility over time. If you're ready to begin, then click over to the first video. Namaste everybody.